My name is Agranhi Saxena. I'm an architect, and today I'll take you with me to a site visit. But first, let me explain to you a little bit about the site. So this is the plan of the apartment. You enter from this side and you find a drawing room, sitting area, a bar here, and a dining space which is here. This whole area is divided by a partition which will come here. The front bedroom is the kids bedroom, and the entire space have a common toilet which is this. The kids will also go in this area and a balcony for all of the front part of the apartment. Then you go further and this is a half whited wall. The kitchen here is also done by us. The half whited wall is so that the space will look bigger. Then you come this side of the house and there is the puja sthal, a mandir here. Then you go further and this is one room, bedroom one, and attached toilet, also attached balcony which is also attached to the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, balcony, toilet, and this is the walk-in closet. So this is basically the plan of the apartment, and now we'll go to the site visit, shall we?